Before you throw away that old gift card, let me ask you a question. What if I told you that the $25, $50, or even $200 gift card sitting in your wallet right now could turn into real cash today? Yep, actual money in your bank account, even if the gift card is from a store you never shop at. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sell gift cards for cash, how to avoid scams, and the best places to sell unwanted gift cards instantly, all step by step. Today, we're talking about something that Americans search for every single day: how to sell gift cards for cash fast. Whether you got a card during the holidays, a birthday, or from a store you never shop at, don't let it go to waste. You can turn it into fast cash, PayPal money, or even bank deposits in minutes. Let's be real. We all have a few random gift cards lying around. Maybe you don't need that Sephora, Home Depot, Starbucks, or Best Buy card. Maybe your aunt keeps giving you gift cards to stores you never go to. Or maybe you need quick emergency money and turning cards into cash is the easiest move. Whatever the reason, here's the good news. There are legit ways to sell gift cards online, locally, and even get instant cash depending on the card. And don't worry, this isn't one of those shady Craigslist situations. We're talking real platforms, trusted buyers, and verified payment methods.
First up is Card Cash, one of the most popular gift card resale sites in the US. They let you sell unwanted gift cards or trade them for brands you actually use. The payout is usually between 80% to 92% of the card value, depending on the store. Payment options? PayPal, bank deposit, or check. The big win here is speed. Card Cash is one of the fastest ways to get cash for digital gift cards.
Next is Raise. Raise works like an online marketplace where you set the price. This means you might make more money than other platforms, but the downside is it can take longer to sell. If you're not in a rush and want the highest payout, Raise is definitely a strong option. Then we have Gift Cash. Perfect if you want instant quotes with no guessing. You enter your card, they tell you exactly how much they'll pay, and if you accept, you get paid fast. Not every store is supported, but for big brands like Walmart, Target, Lowe's, and Amazon, Gift Cash is super straightforward. Believe it or not, GameFlip isn't just for gamers. You can sell digital gift cards like PlayStation, Xbox, Steam, and even retail brands. Payments go through PayPal, and the marketplace vibe lets you set your own price to get a better deal. And yes, you can even search "sell gift cards near me" and find legit kiosks. Some Coinstar exchange machines still let you convert certain gift cards into cash instantly. And pawn shops? They actually buy gift cards too, especially big ones like Walmart, Target, and Visa gift cards. Just keep in mind, you won't get the highest payout locally. Now, let's talk safety, because if you search online for how to get cash for gift cards, you'll see a ton of scams out there. Here's what to avoid. Never share gift card numbers by text or DM. If someone says, "send the code first," run. Nigel, don't use random buyers on Facebook Marketplace.
Most scams happen there.
Only use platforms with buyer protection. Sites like Card Cash, Raise, and GameFlip give you verified payouts, which means you're protected if something goes wrong. Don't sell cards with low balances you're unsure about. Always verify the balance first. Most stores have an online balance checker. Use it.
So how much money are we talking? Here's a simple breakdown of typical payouts. Amazon gift cards, 85 to 92%. Target or Walmart, 80 to 90%. Starbucks or Sephora, 70 to 85%. Restaurant cards, 50 to 70%. Visa, MasterCard, Amex gift cards varies, but often 80 to 90%. You'll always get more for digital cards and less for physical cards that require shipping.
Here's the simple step-by-step process if you want money today. Step 1, check your card balance online. Step 2, go to Card Cash, Raise, or Gift Cash. Step 3, enter the store name and the amount. Step 4, compare offers. Don't just take the first one. Step 5, choose PayPal, bank transfer, or direct deposit. Step 6, for digital cards, upload the card number and PIN. Step 7, Get paid. Some platforms send instant PayPal payouts. And boom, your unwanted card just turned into real cash. Before we wrap, here are pro tips to squeeze out the highest payout. Sell during holidays when gift card demand is highest. Trade instead of selling. Sometimes trades give you 5 to 15% more value. Sell digital gift cards only. They process faster and pay higher. Avoid low-rated stores. Their payouts are terrible. Batch your cards. Selling multiple cards at once often gets a higher percentage. And that's exactly how to sell gift cards for cash, safely, quickly, and for the best payout. If you found this helpful, hit like so more people can find it, and drop a comment telling me what card you're planning to sell. And if you want more videos on smart money tips, side hustles, and ways to turn everyday items into cash, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching, and go turn those gift cards into real money today.